Today I am going to tell you one story. The story is about the elves and the shoemaker. Okay, let's start. Once there was a good shoemaker who makes a shoe, but they became very poor. Finally, he had just enough leather to make one last pair of shoes. So they were little worried that now what will happen? How we will make our shoes and how we will run our shoemaker shop. So the lady said, "It's okay. Let's find a piece of leather. We have one piece of leather. We will make this leather of shoes and let's see what happens next." So the old man said, "Okay, so tonight I'm going to cut the leather and tomorrow morning I'm going to make the shoe." Okay, then they went to sleep. The next morning, when they get up and they went into the workshop, they said they were so surprised to see the shoe was ready. Yes. So then just the one gentleman came to buy the shoes. "Wow, what nice shoes, and it's fit perfectly to me. So I just want to buy these shoes." So old man said, "Yes, you can buy these shoes. The shoes are ready. Yes, I will give you double price and I want to buy these shoes." So the old man got the double price of the shoe and they were so happy. They got the money to buy more leather and then they started making more shoes. So again night, old man cut the leather and kept ready, and again next day in the morning, old man saw the shoes were ready. Wow! So this way the shoes were ready and all people came to buy the shoes from him, and he became famous in the town. All people came to buy the shoes, and slowly they became rich. Yes, now they are no more poor. They became rich. So one day they decided that who has made rich? Let's see who have helped us. So in night, what they decided, let us see that who comes in the night and make shoes for us. So they hide under behind the curtains and they started watching that who is going to come and who is helping us. So slowly some noise came from the window and the small feet sticking out from the window, and they saw the two tiny children. Yes, they were two tiny children and they were very poor. Their clothes were very shabby and they were not looking good. So the lady said, "Elves." They "Oh, see how they are coming inside." And as they came inside, they saw the leather on the table. They took the needle, they took the thread, and they started making shoes so fast. See, the boy started making shoes so fast, and they made so many shoes, and shoes were ready. Then they went away. Then next morning, they thought that we should gift something. We should give them. They have helped us so much. They have, because of them we are now rich. So we have to give something to the children. So they started making some clothes. They made shirt, they made pants, frock. Yes, and they kept on the table. So in night, the two children came from the window. They saw that leather was not there on the table, but this present was there on the table, and they were so happy to see this new clothes. And they worn the clothes, and see, they were so happy. They danced, they jumped. Wow, we got the new clothes, new shoes. Wow, we are so happy. And then they ran away. And then they didn't came back. Yes, and then the old man and lady started making their shoes and become more rich, and they were also happy, and even children were happy. Yes, so children, you like the story? Yes, so tomorrow again teacher will come with the new story. Okay, next time with new story. Till then, take care. Bye.